In this video, we're going to talk about how to use the FireFly POS Multiple Pricing feature to set alternate prices for a station, a group of stations, or for a particular order or customer, such as sometimes people use this feature to charge different prices for hotels, for example, or for an area of the restaurant, such as the bar, or patio that might have different prices for particular items. So let's start with setting this up. If we go to Configuration, General, Store Setup, and we just select the Enable Multiple Pricing. Save that and then go to your items and you'll see the alternate pricing screen here. Right now we just have our default scheme. We're going to go ahead and add a new scheme and we'll call this the hotel pricing. The PLU number can be assigned for you, or you can give it a PLU number. We're going to start out by copying the prices of our default scheme. So when we hit save, you'll see the system is copying those prices. Also on the screen, I have the option to set my default pricing scheme for my store. So right now it's on the default, but I could change it to the hotel prices. And also for an individual station. So if I wanted station 1 to charge hotel prices, I could do that. This can also be used to manage multiple locations. So if you have a master menu that services multiple stores, you can use the pricing schemes to set their pricing. Now let's go ahead and actually set the prices for our hotel prices. I'm going to go ahead and go into my specialty pizzas. And now when I go to my price screen, you can see I've got my default prices in the screen here, but if I choose the other pricing scheme for hotel prices, I show the same prices for right now, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to increase those by $1. Okay, and we'll save those. Okay, now let's take a look at how this works in the front end of the POS. Of course, if your station is set to default to one of the other pricing schemes, you'll just see those prices as you ring up your order. But if not, we'll go ahead and ring up the pesto chicken here in a large, and we can see the price is currently $15.99. That's our default price. If I'd like to use the alternate price, I just go to Options, Multiple Pricing, and select my other scheme, the hotel prices. Now that changed my price to $16.99, and my ticket has an indication that I'm using hotel pricing right now. Of course, that's not going to print on the customer receipt or anything like that. This setting is on a per order basis, so once you finish this order, the system will go back to the default pricing for the next order. If you use this feature a lot, you might want to put a shortcut button on your menu to access the feature. Let's talk about how to do that. We're going to go to Manager Home, Configuration, and Menus, and let's pick our pizza menu. And right here at the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and put a function button. And I'll choose my function list and choose multiple pricing. Just click set, and I can change my button size if I'd like and hit OK and update now. Now when I take an order, I find it easier to just push this button and change to the hotel pricing. The multiple pricing feature is a handy tool for special situations and can be used to manage your multi-store operation or to charge differently for different stations or different particular customers.